All right, here I am. You know, yesterday we poured uh, the footer here, and as you can see, we stripped it. Looks nice. And guess what showed up? My trusses. I'm not complaining. I mean, this is kind of like uh, not the way you want it to be, but I'm not even close to trusses. But I got them here, so speed this process up a little bit. The guys, they covered them up. The footer came out nice. I'm happy about it. See, so if you guys been watching my videos, you saw us pouring this, and we got it laid out where the block is going to go. Where's that garage? I think the garage right here. Yeah. So we're making it happen. This is a stem wall footer. You guys gonna know what the different foundations. This is a stem wall footer here. Get my guy to come in here and knock this dirt down. Probably need to bring in some dirt. It's kind of low in here, but we'll be all right. That's gold right there, man. Trust us, that's gold. All right, let me get out of here. Peace.